You did water park today. Are you happy you got to do water park?
No. And it's very slow. Not quick at all. So, yeah, I wish they went quicker.
I see a trash can. Big buck hunter, my favorite.
You guys want to see my little brother?
Look, they're already. Who's driving? Benji or Brady? Benji or Brady? Who's driving?
Me.
Benji, you gotta go sit.
Who's riding the e-bike?
Passenger.
I said I wanted to.
Who's driving the e-bike?
Somebody's gonna drive the e-bike.
Let me put it in reverse. What?
The light on the e-bike. Turn it on.
Oh, yeah. You guys going to the water park or the adventure park?
The adventure park.
Does anybody want to return the golf cart with Daddy?
Where's the van keys? In the van still?
Yep, sounds good. Love you. Bye. Hello.
Go!
At one point you were weightless on the blue slide. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah. Probably will happen to you.
Now, is that the one that scratched your back up too?
That was definitely.
Would you ride it again? How many times did you ride it?
Because you use the camera.
Oh, because they wouldn't let you go on it?
Yeah. So.
Logan! They got a bull ride in here. How are you doing it, Lola? Pick up. You gotta have shorts? Need help, Lolo? Wear them shorts.
You guys want to walk around and watch Lolo?
On the grown-ups.
I know you did. That was so cool, huh? You know why they say don't walk behind a horse? Because they'll kick you and you'll get really hurt.
Sometimes they get scared.
Yeah. This is so slow. guys, we're not going down the river rush because I'm not allowed with the GoPro.
You putting those shorts on?
Think I can squeeze my butt in here?
No, I don't think so.
What are you doing?
Hey, you're gonna rip those.
Nope. That was my one chance. I bet you I could fit in Benji's. But that's okay.
Okay.
I'll film you.
Ooh, we can put Daddy on the bowl?
Daddy's going on a boat. Oh, better slimy. No. There he goes. Here Daddy goes. There goes Mama. She's getting on the bowl. Let's see how she's gonna do.
Yeah, squeeze your thighs.
Mommy, that's Daddy.
You guys did a great job.
All right, Benji. Send it. Oh, you still got more, huh? Oh, well, at least we know it works.
What?
There you go, Bubba.
I just keep annoying him.
I don't think he minds you, Bubba. March 18th, 2026. Bye, Westgate River Ranch. We had so much fun.
I love it. Waterpark.
careful. Go out there getting on the buggy. There's a little bit of track there.
Where do you want to sit, Bubba?
Oh, you see it.
Sit, pick them up, Brooks.
I think you're too little for the swamp buggy.
Now that he can hold his breath, he can swim.
He's gonna do it. Come on. Here we go, Bubba.
I'm not cold enough for that. Let me alone.
There he goes.
Refrigerator. This place is nice.
You want to make it warmer in here, Pootie?
Well, yeah.
Flip this one.
Guys, we just did a backflip.
Gonna be that foot in here?
The blue and green one's a good one. Did you go down the straight blue one? You did?
Yeah.
You're so brave.
Hi guys, we go down the water. 2 eyeballs.
Yeehaw! Beautiful.
I want him to twist his tail.
Aren't those the coolest feathers ever?
Mm-hmm.
Can you believe God made a beautiful animal like that?
Mm-hmm.
How incredible.
Just say the shower. Whoa, so we can't go. Can you go down? Wait, try going this way.
baby boo. All right.
Okay, that's.
Logan, that's not how you do it, Papa.
You cute. I pop.
Because he can't swim. If he falls in, then he's not going to drown.
No TV.
No TV. We just got to hang out with each other.
No TV.
Becky, are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? Ready? That one's saddled up. That one's probably...
His eyes are barely open.
Yeah, I think he's standing up napping, honey.
Jackson.
Okay.
Jackson.
Didn't I just say don't do that? All right, come on. You guys want to keep going? Go low, low. Go low, low. Go low, low. Go low, low. Good job, Lolo.